Hi there, this is Mary Christopherson, and if you're starting the process of setting up an online business, then this is step one. The first thing you're going to need is a domain name. Now, I have all my domain names with GoDaddy. There are other places you can find to get domain names. They might be less expensive than GoDaddy, but I know GoDaddy has a wonderful support network, and they're great on the phone. They'll help you step by step do whatever you need to do. So first thing you need to do is create an account, and I've already done that. And my computer's being really sluggish today. There's that. Now, let's see. Let's go to domains, and I'll show you how to find a domain name. Domain search. And that's, if you're not familiar with the internet, a good thing to do is just search what are called drop-down boxes. And you find out a lot of information. In fact, that's how I learned how to use a computer. I would find a drop-down box and see what was there and go, oh, what happens when I click this? And I got to know quite a bit. So the first thing you need to do is search for a domain name. And that we will do down here. Now, I recommend you search for your own name, because even if you have a common name like John Smith, and see if you're looking for John Smith and you can't have any spaces in it, .com, click search, and it should tell you that that one's not available. Only my internet connection's being really slow today. And johnsmith.com is taken. But look at the bottom here, and you will see all of these other dots that are available. John Smith Today, .today, johnsmith.city, johnsmith.company, johnsmith.solutions. And you can put a third name, and you see some of them are on sale. Some of them are quite costly. Generally, you can find a name that is about $10 to $12 a year. And that's a year, not per month, but per year. And at $1 a month, I think GoDaddy is pretty affordable. Yes, there's cheaper places you can find, but again, I'm going to say you can't beat GoDaddy's support. So there are other ways to do it. Think of a business. Say, suppose John Smith teaches yoga. And we don't really need to capitalize. And we'll search again. Yeah, that one's available. Yoga with John Smith. And see, it's only $10 a year. Then the following year might be $15. Not a big deal. So that is how you find a domain name. That's step number one to developing an on-site, to setting up an online business. Get my keyword right. Later we'll go into keywords and what those are. But today we're working with domain names. Now, I had an explanation once of why you should use your name, and frankly, I don't remember all of the support facts for this, but it was very convincing that the internet space is very much like real estate, and the fact that somebody else owns your name would not be cool. So try to use your own name. I know a fella named Mike that uses Retire with Mike. And so you can come up with a name for your online business. And remember, that will be your permanent address for that business, for that website. And every business on the planet these days needs a website. It needs a home on the internet because that's how people shop. That's how people look for anything. So get comfortable with the internet. Try getting yourself a domain name. And my next video will be on what to do with that domain name and how to set up a blog. So, Mary Christopherson, hoping this helped. Signing out. Have a wonderful day.